New legislation signed into law this month by Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt will likely face a challenge in the courts and could also be affected by a U.S. Supreme Court ruling expected to be released soon. The law, one of the most restrictive in the nation, makes performing an abortion a felony punishable by 10 years in prison and/or a $10,000 fine. It goes into effect in August of this year. The Center for Reproductive Rights in New York City has challenged abortion laws across the nation, including in Oklahoma. Studio Central reached out to the center by email last week. While they declined an interview, they did provide us with a copy of a response from its CEO and president, Nancy Northup, who said in part, quote, "The center has sued the state of Oklahoma 10 times in the past decade to protect abortion access, and we will challenge this law as well to stop this travesty from ever taking effect," end quote. If the center challenges the new law, the battleground could begin here in Oklahoma County and involve the state of Oklahoma Attorney General's office. I contacted the Attorney General's office last week, and while they had no one available for an interview in time for this broadcast, they did indicate they would have more information once a ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court is issued in another case concerning Mississippi's abortion law later this summer. That case is Dobbs versus Jackson, Women's Health Organization. Attorneys from the Center for Reproductive Rights argued the case at the Supreme Court last year. It has the potential of overturning 2 previous rulings. Those rulings are Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey, 2 of the most significant cases affecting reproductive rights in the nation. At this point, then, the future of any challenges to Oklahoma abortion law and that of others around the nation would seem to hinge upon what happens in the U.S. Supreme Court in the coming months. For Studio Central in Edmond, I'm Mari Blair.